So I got one surging sparks. I'm gonna see if they have anything else because it always resets. So let's just wait for the door to close. Alright, let's see if they have anything else. I'm gonna buy this. You can only add one, so I'm only gonna get one. I'm gonna skip this. I got one Journey Together pack. And we're gonna. And I might come back later because Jeremiah has a game right now. Soccer game. So we're gonna see if this thing resets. Because it resets every time. Okay, guys, so we went to GameStop and we got two 200 Sparks booster bundles. It's right here. And then we are going to Winco. So we could go to the Pokemon machine. Because it's literally right here. It's like next door to GameStop. Go down. Oh, look, they have those. Can you just get one of those? Can you add another one? Oh, no, that's it. So it's $26 here. It was $40 at GameStop. We should have just came here first. But we just never know what they have. Let's see.
Oh, no, they did.
And it's a different box. Look, show him the other box. Show them the other box. So this is from GameStop. This is from the Pokemon machine. Alright guys, welcome back guys. So we are gonna open Surging Sparks. So this one right here, this is from GameStop. And then this box right here, they look different, but this one is from the machine. I don't know, it's like from the Pokemon Center, but it is like a different box.
So it's Pokemon Center machine versus GameStop.
Yeah. The Pokemon machine, I like that because when we do buy Pokemon cards there, like it's regular price. Because this is literally, it was $26 plus tax. It was $28. The GameStop one was already $40 before taxes. So let's see which box has the better hits, guys. GameStop or Pokemon machine.
Okay, this one's GameStop. We'll leave that pile right there. And just slide it out.
Oh yeah, you slide it out. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna have this here like this. So this is GameStop, and this is from the machine, guys. All right, so it's up to you, babe. Which one do you want to start first?
Machine.
All right, go. Hopefully it's worth it because it's been hard lately. You guys could tell from like
Our
the
videos?
other videos. It's been hard lately.
To get hits. Oh, look at
Ooh,
that.
nice. Gamori. Is that like a steel bird or something? Oh, it is. It's a steel wing. That's a Pokemon move that he has. Nice. Okay. All right, guys. So we got our first set from the machine, guys. All right, let's go. This is from GameStop. GameStop, please.
Don't let us down.
Don't let us down because we always go. And we are pro members, so we need pro hits. We need pro hits for the pro members, guys. GameStop, please. Just give me a hit. Ooh, no. Nothing yet.
Okay, GameStop.
GameStop. It's glass. What is that? Slacot?
Slot cop.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Ooh, look at that.
That's from GameStop?
Yeah.
Thank you, GameStop. Look at this. You see, like, it was almost like a sandcastle. Palo sand. Nice.
Holothan EX.
All right, let's go, guys.
So 1 and 1.
So yeah, are we gonna be? I don't know if you guys want to see like who has the most hits or which one has like is worth more. We probably just decide by how many more like how many hits we have each. So this is I got it from what pack?
The machine.
From this one?
Yeah, did you?
I forgot. We could just check in the video.
And then we'll just put it on the screen.
Yeah. All right, guys. Let's go. Let's go with the next pack. So it's 1-1. Ooh, look, Flygon.
Yeah, it was from that one.
So this is from the machine.
Yeah, because it's
Nice.
4 and 4. Yeah.
GameStop
I'm gonna
versus
do-
Pokemon Shop. Well, Pokemon Machine.
I'm gonna do the Pokemon machine. I've been doing 1 and 1.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Goldengo. Ho-Oh. Alright, I'm gonna go with the machine again. Sorry, I don't know why, just because it was cheaper. The Pokemon machine one, $26. Code card. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's get another hit. I probably see something in the back already. Ninetales. Hopefully I'm right. No, I was wrong. I just saw this honor right here in the back. I thought it was something.
I'm gonna do Surging Sparks from GameStop, and I'm gonna do this one.
Let's go.
Is there something? No.
No. All right, I'm gonna go with GameStop. GameStop, guys. Let's go. Let's go with the hits, guys. Code card. GameStop hit. Pet. Let's go, GameStop. Lachios. Look at this, guys.
Does one have 2 heads? It does, huh?
No, I'm gonna show it like this. Look at this, guys.
Hydrant? How would you say it?
Look at this card, guys. Hydreigon, something like that.
Hydreigon.
Look at this, guys. Nice card. So it's 2 and 2.
Yeah.
So if it's gonna be 2 and 2, then we decide on according to the prices. So, but right now it's 2 and 2, guys. So let's go. Let's go with more.
Do GameStop.
All right, let's go. Moridon, Medley Memo, Quaxwell, Ninetales. That's us in a different universe.
Are they like slugs?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, I'm gonna go with the last GameStop. Just because I do low-key want GameStop to win. Just because we always go to GameStop for Pokemon cards. Even before we started recording. Even before Pokemon Madness. At least we didn't wait in line for these cards. But I still want to get another hit. Magneton. Magnemite. Alright, let's go, guys. No. Rapska. Alright, 2 more packs, guys, from the Pokemon machine. Let's go. I get this one right here. 2 and 2, guys.
Pokemon machine.
Magneton, Nachos.
No.
This is from the Pokemon machine?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's pack magic, guys. Code card. Blitzo. Warring. Magnezone. Oh, alright guys. So we did ended up with 2 and 2. And we're gonna see which cards are worth more to decide which store won. GameStop versus the Pokemon machine. Alright guys, thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our videos, guys. We do appreciate all the support.
Yeah, stay tuned for our next video. Yeah, thank you for all the support, guys.
Yeah, thank you guys. See you guys next time.
Okay, bye.
Bye.